Are you in need of fast cash but don't know where to start? Whether you want to make some extra money or start a side hustle, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 online platforms where you can start making money fast in 2024. Stick around until the end for a bonus tip on how to double your earnings with simple strategies. First up is Fiverr, one of the most popular platforms for freelancers to offer services. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, video editor, or even a voiceover artist, Fiverr allows you to post your gigs and start attracting clients in no time. What makes Fiverr unique is that you can offer services starting at just $5, but the potential for upselling means you can easily make more per project. It's a great platform to start on if you have a skill to offer, and you can withdraw your earnings quickly once you complete your first gig. Next on the list is Upwork, another major freelancing platform, but with a focus on long-term projects and professional services. On Upwork, you can apply for jobs in a wide range of categories like web development, content writing, customer support, and even virtual assistants. The key difference with Upwork is that you apply to specific jobs posted by clients, and the pay is typically higher than Fiverr. With millions of jobs posted annually, this is a great place for skilled professionals to find work quickly. Third, we have Swagbucks, a platform where you can earn money by completing small tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, or shopping online. While Swagbucks won't make you rich overnight, it's a great way to make fast cash during your free time. You earn points, called Swagbucks, for completing these tasks, and you can redeem them for PayPal cash or gift cards. The best part is that these tasks are easy and take just a few minutes, making it perfect for students or anyone looking for quick, easy money. Another fast way to make money is through Amazon Mechanical Turk, also known as mTurk. It's a platform that connects workers with businesses looking to outsource small, repetitive tasks. These tasks could include data entry, transcription, or identifying objects in photos. While the pay per task may be small, they're easy to complete, and you can knock out several tasks in a short period of time. This is a great option if you want to make a quick buck between classes or during downtime. Lastly, we have TaskRabbit, a platform that connects people who need help with everyday tasks to those willing to complete them. You can sign up to do anything from assembling furniture to running errands or even yard work. While most tasks are in person, TaskRabbit has also expanded into virtual tasks like administrative support or virtual assistants. You can set your own rates, and the platform has grown in popularity for those looking to make money fast. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip. To maximize your earnings, be sure to diversify your efforts across multiple platforms. Instead of sticking to just one, sign up for several platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Swagbucks. By doing this, you can ensure you always have work coming in, no matter which platform is slow. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which platform you're most excited to try out.